Hi friends, it's Danielle with Take Care Mama, and today I'm showing you how I do my digital vision board. I use Canva, so I'm just logging in and going to create a custom dimension project. I have an iPhone 10, so I'm just Googling Canva dimensions iPhone 10 and copying down what I find on Google into the Canva dimensions. In the past couple weeks, I have been downloading images that I would like on my vision board. So I go to uploads, upload media, and I just save them all on my desktop in a folder. So I will select all of these and load them into the project database. You can be more organized than me and have different folders in Canva. I tend to keep everything kind of a mess. You'll see this didn't quite work out, but I go to elements and then grids. I use these a lot. I really like them. It's just an easy way to do a photo collage. And I have about 9 different pictures. So I scroll down to where there are 9 and just kind of played around with some different options. Then you just drag each picture into the different frame and kind of pick where everything goes. You can adjust the pictures a little bit. I found this just wasn't going to work for my pictures and my size phone. I had trouble fitting everything correctly. So you'll see I soon give up, get rid of the grids, and just do an old-fashioned collage.
Take me high.
I had a few places I wanted to add some text, starting with this blank check that I'm going to fill in. So on the left column, you see the T for text, and I am filling in this check for a $10,000 month, and I signed it the universe. I wanted to add an Instagram logo, so I went to photos on that same left-hand menu and searched Instagram and got that logo. And then I am going to put in my Instagram follower goal, 10,000. I did a screenshot of my current Instagram, and then I'm going to kind of cover up my current followers with a box and kind of put it over there, and then add a text over it with what I want to manifest. Then I do something similar to the top photo, which is my YouTube subscriber goal. Now I'm just moving things around, rearranging, and I realized I forgot a picture, so trying to figure out where best everything should go. I wanted to add a background, so on that same left column, I go to background, and I just tried out a bunch of different things. I settled on a tree. Then I'm just changing the name here, 2021 Vision Board, download. I do the compressed file. I find that it's just easier. Download, I airdropped it to my iPhone. Here's now a screenshot from my phone. So you just save it and then you scroll down to add as wallpaper. And you need to pinch it a little bit to get it to the correct dimensions. I think some perspective is off or something. And then you hit set and you are good to go. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.